Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this InKind app tutorial for beginners. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've just downloaded the InKind app. How do you actually go ahead and use it? So I've only used it a couple times, but InKind is very good if you're looking to get some rewards back. So for example, let's start with the search tab first. So this is where you can find participating restaurants that are using the InKind app. So at these restaurants, you could actually pay your bill using the InKind app. So let's take, for example, the Saffron the Eatery. Let's say that we sit down and we eat here and we want to pay the bill. We could actually click on pay the bill. We could enter the amount of our bill. We can click on next. We can enter a percentage tip amount, and then we can select the server who we want to tip, and then click on review transaction and actually pay this bill out. And you'll see that we get $7 back when we're paying with InKind. Now, some restaurants have different ways of paying the bill. So let's take, for example, Anima by Ito. If we do the same exact step-by-step format where we pay the bill, you'll see that it now asks for a check number. So at the top of your bill, you're going to see a check number. You just enter in those digits here, and then you'll be able to pay the bill through InKind. And once again, we'll get 20% in rewards back. So this option or tab right here, you can find different restaurants that are participating with InKind. You can see the type of reward that you'll get back. Most of the time, you'll get 20% back in InKind rewards. And so what that is basically in your next bill, you can use that 20% towards your next bill. There's a bunch of different filtering options on the top-hand side too, based on rewards, reservations, takeout, cuisine type, rating, etc. If you click on Explore, this is just, in my opinion, a different way to find different restaurants that are participating in InKind. So you can see that My Spot, Toca Madera is there. There's recommendations. You can see all the 20% cash back or reward backs that different restaurants offer. Again, more filtering options here. Now, the pay button that you see right here in yellow, if you click on this is just another way to actually pay out different restaurants. So if I click on Anima by Ito, it'll take me to that same page that I showed earlier. If I click on Saffron, you'll see that it's now asking for the actual bill amount. So just another easy way to actually pay your bill is by using that pay button. Now, the gifting option here is where you could actually send InKind gifts or basically gift cards to friends and family members, or you can claim your own gift code here as well. And then rewards, I highly recommend that you check these dining rewards button here because sometimes there'll be specials that InKind is running in order to incentivize you to use their app. So I've used this a couple of times. Then in the upper right hand corner, if you click on the receipt icon, you're going to see different receipts or payments that you've made using the InKind app. So for example, this is one that I made at Toca Madera back in 2024. And then in the upper left-hand corner, if you click on the 3 lines, this is just a way to actually go ahead and edit your profile and such. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain this InKind app tutorial for beginners. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.